Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix account disabled or how to fix blocked accounts. First of all, go to Safari, click on search for Facebook Help Center, click on the first link that you can find. Make sure you are clicking the right link and it's not a suspicious link. Then go ahead and go to my account is disabled in the help center. Follow prompts and submit ID if needed. Wait for 24 to 72 hours and update security settings after recovery. Also, if you can, make sure to change your password, it will be better for you. Log in and review recent activity. Safety tip: do not violate Facebook policies, they can cause permanent blocks. So before using Facebook, make sure to learn about its privacy and policy, or you could visit the Facebook site and learn about your privacy policy there. Quick fix: submit appeal from a computer browser, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.